Students, in this program we are going to swap two numbers. So for that, let us start by writing the libraries. Include stdio.h and then channel include stdlib.h. So now we will start with the main and the blocks. So we are going to receive the input from the user. So int number 1, number 2. Okay, prompts the user, get the input from the user. So printf, enter your first number. So scanf, get that input, %d, comma, ampersand number 1. Okay, now you get the second input from the user. So printf, enter your second number. So scanf, get the input and ampersand number 2, come out, and now we are going to be performing the swap. So for that we need a temporary variable. Okay, so swap. Now what I'm going to do is temp is equal to number 1, and then number 1 is now equal to number 2, and number 2 is equal to temp. That's it, story done. So now you print it out. Printf, your first number is now %d. I want to leave a line, and then number 1, and then printf, your second number is now %d and number 2. Okay, and now you return 0 and you build it. The errors. Okay, it has built it well. Enter the first number, say 200, second number 300. So your first number is now 300 and your second number is 200. So let's enter again, say -120 and 90. Your first number is 90, your second number is negative. So let's have it one more time. So 500 and 499. Your first number is 499. Your second number is 500